When your child is melting down, they're not asking for a lecture. They're asking for help regulating an overwhelmed brain. They don't need correction first. They need regulation. If this resonates, click like to help this message reach parents. Welcome to 100 Experts on Education, where we explore great thinkers to understand how children truly grow. Today, we delve into the work of psychiatrist and neuroscientist Daniel J. Siegel and his life-changing principle, connection before correction. Many parents know this moment. You explain calmly, give clear reasons, remind them of the rules, yet your child still melts down. Siegel explains that in such moments, the emotional brain is flooded and the rational brain goes offline. Logic cannot enter a brain that feels unsafe. Children aren't born knowing how to regulate big feelings. They learn regulation through relationship. They learn because someone sees their emotions, stays close during intensity, and helps them survive the storm. Over time, this external support becomes internal stability. Siegel describes parents as a child's external brain. When you remain steady, their nervous system slowly borrows your calm. However, when correction comes at the peak of emotional intensity, children don't experience learning. They experience confrontation, which only escalates the situation. If this perspective is shifting something for you, pause and click like. It helps more families move from conflict to connection. Siegel offers a practical sequence: emotion, connection, guidance. First, soothe, then reconnect. Only then guide behavior. This isn't permissiveness, it's neurological wisdom. Once the emotional storm passes, reflection, learning, and responsibility become possible. Education isn't about suppressing emotion. It's about helping children learn to live with emotion. Self-discipline doesn't grow from fear or control. It grows from regulation. So, ask yourself gently, when my child is overwhelmed, am I trying to fix behavior or helping them regain balance first? If this helped you see meltdowns differently, click, like, subscribe, and share this with a parent stuck in emotional battles. Together, let's raise children who don't fear their emotions, but learn to navigate them through connection, calm, and relationship.